Some people face more than one barrier at the same time: language, mobility, and confidence. Imagine retiring to a new country, a place rich in culture and history, but unfamiliar in everyday ways. Signs are in another language. Public spaces can be difficult to navigate. Planning even simple trips can feel overwhelming. You need to understand more than one language and want support understanding local context. Imagine on top of all this, you also live with mobility needs, which means routes, transport, and timing all matter. Let me take a moment to tell you the story of Weaver, one of our first test cases. She retired to Ecuador for many reasons, including the weather and culture. She mainly speaks English, but understands a good bit of Spanish too, and has a deep curiosity that drives her to explore the many museums and archaeological sites in Ecuador. That's where BlueCap AI's assistant came in, although quietly and calmly in the background. The assistant helped translate signs, menus, and even conversations in real time. It explained cultural and historical context in clear, everyday language. Before trips, it helped plan accessible routes, including rest points, transport options, and wheelchair-friendly paths. It helped coordinate timings and made sure her travel companions had the same information too. During her first trip, the assistant acted as a simple tour guide, but over time, it adapted. Her little helper began learning preferences, understanding limitations, and respecting her specific priorities. The assistant didn't make any decisions. It helped Weaver feel prepared to make her own. What once felt stressful became easy to manage. Her confidence returned and independence grew. This is what our people-first AI approach looks like in the real world: reducing stress, supporting communication, and respecting your priorities and needs. Quietly present and carefully designed around real people with real lives. This is the bespoke approach we take for every one of our clients. If you would like to learn more about how to build an assistant of your very own, please consider subscribing to this channel and following us on LinkedIn.